So I'm going back and forth on Instant Messenger with a DJ the other day who was complaining about the fact that he's got all these cool things with his events and he can't use them. People are buying these things like CO2 cannons and confetti and cold spark machines and fog machines, and it's part of his packaging, and these places are not allowing him to use it. It's frustrating. What am I supposed to do? Hi, I'm Bill. It's Creative License, and thank you again for being a part of my little, as I call it, the Dog and Pony Show. I'm well past 200 shows so far, so I want to thank you all. If you can do me a favor and like and subscribe to the YouTube page and tell as many people as possible. I'm trying to get my subscribers up as much as possible because, you know, I figure I've done this long enough, I should probably make it a thing, right? Thank you, of course, to my sponsors, and if you can be nice to them, that would be really great. Electro Voice, that just brought out a new product called the new Evolve 50M. It's a great new product. You should look into it. When I get my hands on one, I'll show it to you if you don't get your hands on one before that. DJ Event Planner, which is a great CRM for DJs and for all event planners. You should check into that. I use them. Disc Jockey News, DJN TV, promo only, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So CO2 cannons, confetti, cold sparks, and fog machines. What's happening? You know, I invested in all this stuff and they're not letting me use it. Well, first of all, you should have prepared beforehand to know the facility and what their rules are before you took money from your clients to be able to shoot off confetti cannons, okay? Or use a cold spark machine, or fog machines, or CO2 cannons. Look, these facilities don't like them for whatever reasons they don't like them. And we know that they're safe, that they might be a little messy, but your clients want them, and we are used to giving our clients whatever they want. Facilities, not always as much, right? Because using confetti means they need to bring in a cleaning crew to be able to get every last little piece of confetti up, unless, of course, you're going to guarantee and promise that you're going to get it all. And even if you do, they're like, well, it might get wet and it might stain my walls or my floors, or because it can. I've seen it happen. CO2 cannons and cold spark machines and fog machines, they're worried about that stuff messing with their property, with the thing that makes them money, right? They still think fog machines are going to set off smoke machines, or rather fire detectors and sprinkler systems. So you can know all day that these things won't happen, but if you can't convince the client to either advocate upon themselves to get what they want from the facility, you also need to talk to the facility and make guarantees of your own. Now, if you're not willing to look at a facility and say, look, the stuff that I'm going to bring, the fog machine, it'll help make the lights even better because they like the fog with the lights and I'm getting paid to do it. I guarantee you that if you have a weird smell in your facility, I will help clean it because you're not going to get a weird smell. If for some reason the sprinkler system goes off, first of all, it won't. But if it does, I will take care of the damages. I will guarantee that it's taken care of. But if you can't say that, and I don't know that you can, I would just be, you're going to have to go with what they want, right? Or you need to bring in the stuff. You need to convince the facility. You need to show the facility. Sometimes go in and show them what a cold spark machine does and what it looks like, and they can go, oh, that's really cool. I'm good with that. All they're doing is protecting their property. Okay, they're not trying to take money from you. And if you're not doing your due diligence with your client, showing them how to advocate for themselves to have the cool thing that they want to pay you to get, rather, and you're not doing your due diligence with the facility that you're going to bring this stuff into, then I don't know what to do for you. Due diligence is about communicating to everybody that may be affected or everybody that may think they might be affected. And you can't do it by making them feel like they're stupid. Okay, you do that, and look, if you said that, if you treated me like I didn't know what I was talking about, even though I don't, if you treated me like you were better than me and smarter than me, I'd say no just because I think you're a jerk. So don't do that, okay? do your due diligence, be a professional, go out there and talk to your facilities. The more facilities know these really cool things, they will start talking you up because nobody else went in there and showed them that their fog machine won't mess things up, that their cold spark machine won't light something on fire, that their CO2 cannons and confetti aren't going to stain everything. You did, though. So why not be the only guy that they'll let in? There's another way you can get, right? If everybody's doing this, then it's not as, but I doubt that the DJs in your area that had the same thing are doing this kind of due diligence. Think about it. If you have a better idea, if you have something else that you do that doesn't have anything to do with making everybody feel dumb because you know better than them, let me know. Tell me in the comments. Hell, tell me the other one too. I don't care. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week. Bye.